Everyone says they want to be rich. But here's the truth, most people will never be, because they chase money instead of value. Let me explain what truly makes people rich. My honest advice to anyone who wants to get rich. Stop thinking like everyone else. Stop searching for fast money. And start building skills that people can't ignore. Learn something valuable. Be so good at it that people need you. Because when you become valuable, money doesn't run away from you, it runs towards you. Don't waste your energy trying to look rich. Spend your time trying to become the person who actually is. Let me tell you about a boy named Ryan. Ryan wanted to be rich. He used to watch luxury cars and millionaires online every night. But he was broke. No one believed in him, not even his friends. One day, instead of scrolling, he made a decision to learn a high-income skill. He spent nights learning digital marketing, failed more than 10 times, but didn't quit. 1 year later, Ryan built his first online business. He didn't make millions overnight, but he made something more powerful, momentum. Today, Ryan earns more in a month than he used to in a year. Not because he got lucky, but because he decided to be valuable first. So if you want to be rich, stop chasing quick wins. Start chasing growth. Learn, fail, improve, repeat. Because real wealth doesn't start in your bank account. It starts in your mind. This is Finance Focus, where we teach you how to think like the rich before you become one.